Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently, I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So today's my presentation topic is surrogacy in India. So surrogacy is a procedure through which a third party mother bears and gives birth to the child of other parents. This can be due to multiple medical reasons that prevent the mother from giving birth or bearing children. According to the Surrogacy Regulation Bill of 2019, surrogacy is defined as a practice whereby one woman bears and gives birth to a child for an intending couple with the intention of handing over such child to the intending couple after the birth. The Surrogacy Regulation Bill of 2019 was put forth in order to provide for a national framework, therefore to constitute national surrogacy boards, state surrogacy boards, and appointment of necessary authorities for the regulation of the process and practice of surrogacy and matters related to it in India. Under this bill, only altruistic surrogacy is allowed, that is, there can be no commercial gain for the surrogate mother. Only the cost incidental to the surrogacy and pregnancy shall be covered by the intending parents. The bill further lays down the essential for the conduction of surrogacy. The intended couple need to issue a certificate of essentiality as issued by an appropriate authority. The condition for the issuing are a certificate of proven infertility or of either or both the members of the intending couple from a district medical board. The condition for the issuing are a certificate of proven infertility of either or both the member of the intending couple from a district medical board, an order of parentage and custody of child passed by a magistrate court first class or above. Third, insurance coverage for the surrogate mother for a period of 16 months covering post delivery complications too. The intending couple must also issue a certificate of eligibility which requires the couple to be an Indian citizen and married for at least 5 years, between 23 and 50 years old females and between 26 and 55-year-old males. They do not have a surviving child, biological, adopted or surrogate. This, however, excludes a child who is mentally or physically challenged or suffers from a life-threatening or fatal illness or disorder. Other conditions that may be specified by regulations. For a woman to be a surrogate mother too, there are specific eligibility criteria which are as follows. She should be a close relative of the intending couple. Second, be an ever married woman with child of her own and shall be between 25 and 35 years old. Fourth, she has not been a surrogate mother previously, and a woman can be a surrogate only once under this bill. She shall possess a certificate of medical and psychological fitness for the surrogacy. In addition to the aforementioned, the bill also says that the surrogate mother may not provide her own gametes for the surrogacy. The bill also stated a few offences that protect the parties involved and also the morality and ethics of surrogacy. They are undertaking or advertising commercial surrogacy, exploiting the surrogate mother, abandoning, disowning or exploitation of surrogate child, and selling or importing human embryo or gametes for surrogacy. A minimum penalty of 5 years of imprisonment and a fine up to rupees 10 lakh is prescribed for these offences. So this is all about surrogacy in India. So this video is not for any promotion, etc. This video is only for education purpose, and so if you have any question related to surrogacy in India, please comment in the comment box, and please like, share and comment Lexis and Company YouTube channel. And thank you and have a nice day. So this is all about surrogacy in India.